Hello dear students, today we are going to study the first and the second lesson in the unit 5. Let's start with the first one, which is about campaign vocabulary. Of course, you are going to ask, what does mean campaign? So here, as you see, we have campaign. Campaign is an activity of temporarily living in a tent, especially in summer. And here is an example of campaign. So look at this picture. What do you observe? So here there are a lot of things. So please listen and repeat. Fishing pole. Fishing pole. Tent. Tent. Sleeping bag. Sleeping bag. Flashlight. Flashlight. Map. Map. Water bottle. Water bottle. Compass. Compass. Camera. Camera. Now, let's move to the second lesson, which is about the other people's pins, which mean what are they going to take in their picnic? Before we start, let me remind you that we use she for female. So we use she for female. And we use he for male. So he for male. Okay? Now, if you want to ask someone, what can you say? So here is an example. For the question, we say, what's he or she going to take? Let's repeat. What's he or she going to take? So this is a question. Okay? If you want to answer, we say he's or she's going to take a tent or a camera, and so on. If you want to add something, for example, you choose just one. You say a tent or a camera or a flashlight or a fishing pole, or as you like. So here is the positive answer. Repeat. He's or she's going to take a tent or a camera. Then, for the negative answer, you say he or she isn't going to take a fishing pole. Let's repeat. He or she isn't going to take a fishing pole. Okay? We repeat from the first one. For the question, we say, what's he or she going to take? For the answer, which means positive answer, we say, he's or she's going to take a tent or a camera. For the negative question, for the negative answer, we say he or she isn't going to take a fishing pole. So if you observe here, we have the negative, we add isn't. Okay? But for the positive one, we use apostrophe s, which means is. Okay? So dear students, for today we finish this session. I hope it was useful for you. Please take your student's book and you try to work the exercises that you have in the page 36 and 37. Then if you have any question, you are welcome. You can send it to me in my box in the WhatsApp. Thank you so much for your attention.